Hey, to add fingerprint into your Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to go to the settings. Now from this you will have to scroll down and go into the lock screen and the always on display. Now select screen lock type, input your current screen lock if you have one, and now select this option, fingerprints. Then click continue, click register, and now you'll have to put one of your fingertip on this fingerprint sensor. It's actually built into the display. So you have to just put our finger right here and just keep tapping. When the circle goes green, we have to lift our finger and put it one more time. As you can see, in this case, I have to scan the other arena of my fingertip. So I have to scan the left edge of my fingertip, the right one, and so, and I can easily enroll my fingerprint. And now it's finished. As you can see, I can add other fingerprints if I want, so I have to click add, but I'm gonna skip, click done, and as you can see right now it is finished. So I can now try to unlock my phone with the fingerprint sensor. There we go. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.